What's up, y'all? It's me, TikToshh, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the video, because why wouldn't you? Y'all, today's vlog is just not vlog. Why am I saying vlog? 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 But anyway, y'all, we are about to redo my beauty room / content packaging area, all of that. We're about to redo it. My office is on the other side behind y'all that y'all cannot see, and we're gonna redo the office at another time. But today we are focused on the fact that I'm not satisfied with the arrangement of these purses and everything. I'm just not satisfied. Like, yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, here we have it. We got a bunch of promo there. We got promo there. We got all of these wigs here. We got that stuff up there. Yeah, let me close the door. We have stuff everywhere. Everywhere. But we finna handle it. Okay, y'all, so I need to get this purse down because I need to fill it with something so that it can stay. This is a Louis bag. I need to fill it with, I'm going to put this in it so it can stand up. That's what I'm going to do, because this is going to go back on the top shelf. I think that's not where I had this, Ebro. I know what's missing. My daughter has my purse that goes up there. Oh, my goodness. When people don't put my stuff back, that's a problem. Have me in here tripping, thinking that I knew I didn't have this bag up here. I knew for a factor that I did not have that bag up there, and it goes with this wallet. But we'll put it up there for now, since I'm making a video. There. We'll put it up there for right now, since I'm making a video. Okay, these I don't really use. They have no business up there. When I have my husband out of my room after I switch purses and I have him put it back, of course, he's a man. He don't know where to put it back at. Now, this Dior bag goes here with this red bag. So that is in the right place. What do I want to do? This bag does not go over here at all. I can tell you that right now. It goes over here with a bag that is like this bag. So, and I used that when I went on my Dallas trip. So this was on me. But I don't like the way that goes. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so I'm satisfied with the Louis up there. I'm satisfied with the Coach in my TikTok box. That anything TikTok sends me, I definitely do keep it. I am satisfied with the red placement, I think. But I think I could go up a shelf on the red. Yeah, that's what I'll do. We're going to go up a shelf on the red, y'all. I'm going to go up a shelf on the red. So let's do that. Oh, see? You think you could do something and you don't have it well executed? There we go. Let's put that red up there. Let's bring this back to the front a little bit. We'll put that up underneath so it sits off to the side. We will then put that back up there. We'll pull the Dior up a little bit. I do like that. So now we'll bring the black over here. We'll put the black. These are like the Birkin dupes. That's what these are, Birkin dupes. This one, and that one. So over here with this, since it's black, what I think I will do is I'll put this black bag here. It's a Steve Madden bag. I'll put that there. I like to leave the straps hanging down in case I forget exactly which bag it is. I'm like, oh yeah, because I do like to choose bags based off of straps and stuff like that too. So yeah. Y'all will see me taking several breaks throughout the time of me doing, trying to set up my purses and stuff, because I do have a back problem. I have sciatica really, really bad. My knees have no cartilage, and it's not a complaint. It's just making you aware as to why you see me. I like where the Guess bags are placed. They're right here, the brown and the black. My daughter bought me those, my youngest daughter. So yeah. Okay, so this area right here with the Fendi bag, I think I'm gonna move the Fendi. I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm going to move the Fendi up a notch. This is like, so it's harder than I imagined. Like, who would be tripping off where the placement of their purses go? But I am definitely tripping, y'all. Like, I don't know where I want to put stuff. But yeah, I think I could go for putting the Fendi there. Yeah, let's do that. Let's put Fendi there. I think. How about if I sit her all the way back? Ooh, I like her like that. Okay, and then we'll put her sister over here. Ooh, yeah. I think I like. Then we'll just strap her over here. Let's put her under here a little bit. Yep. How do that look, y'all? Comment down below and let me know if y'all like that setup. But I think I like it. I do like it. Then we have like, oh, we got the white Birkin now. I mean the gray Birkin. It's like a gray. I love this bag. I like literally love this bag. And we should sit her over there and underneath the other Birkins. That's what I think we should do with her. We should sit her, and I'm scooting around in my chair, we should sit her right up here. I think that would be a nice home for our home girl. I think that would be, oh, that is a beautiful home for her. Yeah, that's a beautiful home for her. So our girl is going to sit right there. And who are we going to put with our girl? That's what we got to figure out. That's what we got to figure out. That's what we got to. Okay. These kind of bags and stuff, I think I will sit them on this shelf. It's just like little backpack bags, things like that. I think I'll just sit them like, and then I like to show the straps. So we'll just sit those like that. And then, I know I have some more. This wallet, I love it. It has like, it's neutral. You use a black purse, a beige purse, or the white, or the gray, like that Birkin over there. And I'm gonna sit her with our Birkin. I'm gonna sit her with our Birkin. I'm gonna sit her right there. How did that look right there? Y'all let me know. So far, so good. Okay. Then we have so many miscellaneous purses. We also have our shades that I'm about to get into in just a moment. Our miscellaneous purses, though, y'all, I'm going to sit, I think, at the bottom. Now, this is a miscellaneous purse, but I definitely love it, and I use it a lot. So I think you're going to make the cut to go up here. You're going to make the cut to go on the shelf. Nah, I don't know. I don't know about her. I don't know. Y'all, do y'all ever be like this undecided? Because right now, we're looking pretty good. Then I feel like she's sticking out like an eyesore. What y'all think? I think that's an eyesore. I think that is an eyesore, and I'm missing purses. I think that is an eyesore because I also got this new little bag here. I got this new little bag. What am I going to do, y'all? Help your girl out. Help your girl out. Okay, y'all can call me undecided or whatever y'all want to call me, but I'm going to be putting the miscellaneous purses down below. Look at that, my Happy Mother's Day and stuff. I absolutely love it, and my son drew a picture of my baby. Y'all have no idea how my children just really can make my day all the time. So we're going to set this to the side. We're going to put all of our miscellaneous bags down here. That's what we're going to do. Bags that I know I'm not really using, I'm going to put them at the bottom. No sense in having them at the top. And I know for a fact that I'm not really using them. I'll let y'all see a little bit better when I'm done. Yeah, that's what we're going to do with that. Do I have another one? Yep, I got my little baby bag. This has some important stuff of mine in it, though. Yep, like my e.l.f. cosmetics that I wear, the makeup stuff. My bottle is in here. Okay, for now, we'll just put it down here. This bag, y'all, I got from Tila. I have not used it ever before. This $100 something I thought was cute, so I wanted to grab that on the door. Yeah, I'll put that on the door. Y'all see that? I think that's a good place to put this bag. What y'all think? Yep. There we go. There we have it. I gotta give me a rug for in here, though. Then I got like things I have not used. This is a sweatshirt. I have not used a TikTok sweatshirt yet, okay? So, yeah. Okay, y'all, here is the process so far of where we're at with things. Y'all let me know would y'all have positioned this a little bit different. I'm still working on that, and I'm still working on this because I'm not sold on this yet. But we finna work on it, y'all. Okay, so I feel like these two can go over here. I love both of those bags. I feel like they can go over here. It's okay. Yeah. What y'all think about that? Does it like throw things off a little bit? It's like you can't, okay, there we go. There we go. Let's move the wallet though. Let's move the wallet and let's work over here for a second. Let's work right here. Let's work with this space. Okay, I'm gonna place this wallet here.
Then we have all these new shades. So we're going to take them out and set them where they go. We'll set them all up. Yeah, that's what we'll do.
Y'all know how this looks right here. Y'all know I have more shades than the part I'm using because somehow I always forget to get their shade. I'm wondering if this is good enough setup right here. I feel like these are so popping in the front. There's a big shade, they go right there. I think this one's gonna run it. I think I'm gonna run it like this. How does that look out? Let me let y'all see up close. So I'll let y'all see up close again. Okay, y'all, these two guest bags have to go because I just came up with a better idea. I can place this Birkin. Let me see. I can place this Birkin in the place of that. I can put those over here. I'll let y'all see in a minute. I can put this Birkin. Yep. And I can put this wallet with it. That's what I think. Yeah, now I'm satisfied.
I feel like that just goes better. Like, yeah, I think that goes better. And I do have another wallet, a black one. Eventually, I'll put that up there too. Look at that. Yep. Then it come down to the glasses. Let's go over here and fix this. Let's go over there. I'm scooting around in the chair, y'all. We make and do. I be wanting to know what I got up in these purses too. So always got something. Just all coins and stuff like that. Okay. So we're going to put that one there. We're going to put this. No, we're not. Because I'm using this purse anyway. So it don't even matter. We're going to put that one in the middle. And then we're going to put that one on that side. That's what we're going to do, y'all. That's what we're going to do. Y'all will see up close shortly. Okay, y'all, I have another change of plans. One thing you'll find over here, and this one is going to go in the middle because I'm about to put perfumes right there and smell goods. Yeah. My husband got me this as a gift, and so I've never used. Okay, y'all, now we're finished with all of that over there. I'm going to show y'all at the very end of how we finished. Now we're working over here. I eventually want to take this out of the box and have it hung on the wall. We're probably going to work on that sometime next week. I'm going to have my husband hanging things like I need them so that you can actually see the items that TikTok has sent me. We're going to hang some of the stuff. So anyway, up here is just where I pretty much put like the promo items I've received. This has no business up there. Another something that my daughter put up there. Okay. All these papers I stuffed in here one day when I was switching purses. I have a bad habit of doing that. And we got to get better. We have to get better. We got to do better at holding ourselves accountable for stuff like this. So yeah, let's get that out of there because it does not belong. This does not belong. I stuffed all of these papers because I have a habit of not wanting to get rid of my paperwork. Because I be feeling like, oh, I might need it one day. Okay, this bathing suit, I think I'm going to ship it to my daughter. I am. I'm going to ship this to my other daughter. Because I've called myself buy me a swimming suit, y'all, and I couldn't fit it. I could not fit it. So I'm going to ship that swimming suit to her. She live over in Florida, and, you know, the weather is always nice, and she be on trips and stuff like that. So I know that she can make use of it. So I got these wigs in here, and I also have some on the mannequin. Let me let y'all see.
Okay, so this is this area we're working with right now, y'all. That's the promo items in there. That's what this area is for. So we can get it together. One day, y'all, we will give these wigs some tender, loving care, but it's not going to be today. It's not going to be today. I've been looking for this little, there it is on this wig. See, this is why people supposed to put their stuff back when they're done. Let me put it out a little bit so I know where it's at. My braided wig, okay? Get it sexy, get it sexy. This is actually a real wig, it's not a play wig, but yeah, y'all get the points. Y'all get the points. But I'm not going to keep it on. I'll be just the way it is. Just the way it is. My promo stuff can go down there. Promo bags that I received, and they're so cute. I decided I'll keep them. Let's do this here. Put that wig there. But this, I have so many more wigs, y'all. It is crazy. They're in my room. They're in my podcast room. They're some everywhere because I'm always recording content in different places. And then, hey, I forgot about these glasses. I forgot these glasses. No, I'm not going to do that. This is content, so. This is content. I'm not going to do that. I had 4 boxes, I think. But I gave my sons some. I think we're going to put these over here on this shelf. We are. We'll put those over there with that kind. I'll show y'all in a little bit. Okay, let's see what kind of promo this is. Okay, I don't feel like opening that, so let's just leave that in there. This is all of our new promo. So anything new that we have to get, okay, this one down. I've already done that. I've promoted all of this. I want to give this maybe to one of my daughters because I don't use it, so I'll probably give this to one of them. It's the hair removal cream, so I'll probably give those to them or I'll just keep them as a souvenir. I also promoted, I do a lot of promotions. I promoted for that joint, so yeah. Again, what is this stuff? Dang, I can't even see. Oh, this is a lip gloss. Okay, we'll be doing there. I'll play around with it one day. Some more promo, y'all. Put that in that slot with that. This is items that I have to promote this week. I'm going to put them on the top. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm also going to move these wigs down. Yeah, I'll move these wigs down some. Okay. So yeah, those wigs. So this is important. So I put it in slot number 1. It has to be promoted. This is an item that has to be promoted as well. I'm going to promote this one today. Just because I'm using it, it's like a ring. It can hold your laptop. It can hold, your tablet. It can hold your phones, all of that kind of stuff. I'm going to promote this today. So we're going to leave this to the side. I'm going to take that back in my room. Matter of fact, I'm going to promote it right over there in my office. So then this is promo that has to be done between today and tomorrow. So yeah, I'll put that in this cubby. That's promo that has to be done. Then we have, okay, this little bag that Stan came in. So I'm going to keep that over there too for promo. Then we have more promo items that have to be promoted. So we just put that off. And we are going to slide that bad boy in there because it is promo that needs to be promoted. Let me just turn it the other way. 2 big boxes down here that has to be promoted. So yeah.
Okay, y'all, these items have to be promoted. And this is a bamboo mattress topper. And this is a blanket set with pillowcases and all of that. All of that has to be promoted. So because it's it needs to be promoted, it can stay right there. It's next to, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items to promote. And I have more coming this week. And I'm a little bit behind, on my promo. And it's my fault because I get my promo and then sometimes I don't even open it. I just been slacking, for lack of better words. But I definitely do get it out. They allow you like 14 days. I get it out within 2-3 days. So, yeah. Until I figure out where I'm going to put things like this, I'm just going to set it up here. And I think that's pretty much all we have to do down here today. So let's get the finishing touches on. And we're going to go ahead and take this tour. And we're going to get ready to end off this video.